Are you a coach who's coaching coaches who coach coaches and are struggling to find new coaches who coach coaches to coach? If you want to know the secret to how I made my first $10 billion, watch this video. If you want to learn how to make 6 figures in the next 6 months,
if you want to turn $3 into $3 million in 3 months, you need to remember these 3 letters. K-L-M-N-O-P.
I'm a life coach, best-selling author, 6-time Amazon bestseller, award-winning Peter Griffin impersonator.
Click down below for my free ebook.
Buy my course on selling courses to coaches who sell courses to coaches who coach coaches.
You start thinking funnels.
Funnels are dead. You want to know the problem with your mailing list? Mailing lists are dead. Dropshipping is dead. 7 figures in 7 weeks. 143 simple rules you need to follow. 8 figures by 8 p.m. I'm a growth expert. You need to wake up at 3 a.m. every day. I'm a scaling expert. Read a book a day. A book a day, that's dead. You need to read 2 books every time you're on the toilet. Next year is going to be all about bathroom scales.
Diversification of funnels.
The average CEO reads 9 books a day.
Funnel systems.
I am so amped up on books right now. If you want to make $1 million by this time next year, the secret is Instagram ads.
Everybody say revenue streams.
Instagram ads are dead. Don't miss out on Amazon FBA.
Follow me here. Look, we're talking about passive revenue.
Amazon FBA was last year. It's dead. It's over. You missed it. Now it's all about TikTok marketing.
That's the 4-step Illuminati funnel system.
TikTok's already over. So dead my grandma won't even touch it. Because she's dead.